The tools you'll need to start pen turning are a small spindle gouge, a skew, and a parting tool. The gouge is primarily used to aggressively reduce square spindle blanks to round cylinders. Next up is the skew chisel, which is a very versatile tool used to cut smooth, precise finished surfaces on the outside of pen blanks. Finally, you may need a parting tool to cut off or part a spindle workpiece. You can also use this tool to cut tenons, establish a diameter, or cut small, flat areas. You have two main tool material options to choose from: high-speed steel or carbide. High-speed steel tools are relatively inexpensive, make quick work of your blanks, and are great tools to learn with. Carbide turning tools, such as these carbide tip cutter tools, are a bit more expensive, but hold a razor-sharp edge up to 20 times longer than high-speed steel, which means you'll have to sharpen them less frequently. Use a speed of 2,500 RPMs or higher to turn your blanks to shape. This high speed gives you a smooth surface and also helps minimize tool vibration. Apply very light pressure as you turn to slowly remove material. Light pressure also helps prevent the tool from cutting too deeply and to help avoid tear out. A great way to practice turning is to cut scrap stock mounted between centers. The objective is to move the tool from one end of the turning to the other in a smooth, straight line motion. This takes practice, as each tool is handled slightly different. You have two important choices to make when you position the tool rest. The first is the height of the top edge of the tool rest, and the other is the distance of the tool rest from the stock you're turning. The position of the tool rest depends on the tool you're using. Place the tool on the rest in a horizontal position. Adjust the height of the rest so the cutting edge of the tool is at the center of the turning. Raise or lower the rest slightly so it feels comfortable for you. A comfortable distance is about 1/2 inch or less between the top edge of the tool rest and the pen blanks. The farther away the tool rest is from the blank, the more likely you'll experience chatter. It's vital to keep your fingers clear of your rotating project while still controlling the turning tool. For right-handed turners, position the left hand against the tool rest, while your right hand will hold the handle of the tool. Position your left hand so your forefinger is under the tool, resting against the side of the tool rest opposite the wood. The left hand thumb is on top of the tool, helping you steady it against the forefinger and tool rest. Left-handed woodturners will grasp the tool with their hands in the reverse position. Always wear protective faceware when working at the lathe. Your tool always needs to be sharp. Using a dull tool will force you to push harder against the blanks, possibly causing the mandrel to bow, the blank to chip, or creating oval-shaped parts.